Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to earn money online, and you can significantly increase your sales by creating product review videos like this. Many AI tools can generate promotional videos using just a link, but imagine a video where a lifelike avatar not only reviews a product but also holds it in hand. This makes the content more convincing and engaging. Today, I'll show you how to create this type of product review video using AI. Let's get started. You can choose any product from any platform, but before selecting one, always check the sales volume, ratings, and reviews. If these factors are high, your chances of success improve. For example, I have chosen this product. Now that we have our item, let's see how to create a compelling video with it. To make this product video, I'll be using an AI-powered marketing video generator called TopView AI. This tool can create professional quality videos from product URLs and uploaded materials. It also features an extensive library of AI avatars to enhance engagement. Plus, you can create videos in over 30 languages. To get started, I've included a link in the description. Click on it to sign up for an account. Once logged in, your dashboard will appear like this. At the top, you'll find options to create videos from product links and uploaded content. The AI creation section provides tools to generate avatar-based videos for various purposes. Now, let's proceed with the avatar marketing video generator, which works similarly to the product link-based video creator. First, choose an avatar from the extensive library. If you prefer, you can even create a custom avatar by uploading a short video clip and clicking the Create button. Once you've selected or customized your avatar, enter the product link or upload the relevant media files. You'll also notice an AI image creation option. Here, you can generate images using text prompts. Simply type your prompt, choose a style, set the image size, and specify the number of images. After clicking Generate, the AI will produce high-quality images, which you can use in your project. Since I already have a product link, I'll copy it and paste it into the TopView AI URL box. After entering the URL, click Import from Link. The AI will analyze the page and extract all available images and videos. You can then select the ones you want to use. Be cautious when including external review videos as they may pose legal issues. After selecting the media, click Continue. The system will process the files, so let's fast forward this part. Once processing is complete, you'll see the product name and a draft script which is generated from the product description. You can modify the script or write your own. Additionally, there are various script writing styles available to enhance engagement. I'll choose the storytelling style for a more compelling presentation. Next, set the target audience, video duration, and branding elements such as logos or watermarks, which are optional. Then, select the video resolution, language, and voiceover. You can even clone your own voice for a personalized touch. Once everything is set, click Generate. The AI will create 3 different scripts for your video. After reviewing them, the first video clip will begin generating.
Beauty of Joseon presents the Red Bean Pore Refreshing Mask, a revolution in skincare. Our mask combines traditional Korean beauty secrets with modern dermatological science. Experience the transformative power of red bean for visibly refined and radiant skin. This mask deeply cleanses pores, effectively removing dead skin cells and impurities. It gently exfoliates, revealing a fresher and...
The video quality is excellent. The script is engaging, the visuals are well placed, and the editing is top-notch. Now let's move on to the second video. Click Preview to generate the next video. Once it's ready, play it.
Introducing the Beauty of Joseon Red Bean Pore Refreshing Mask, a revolutionary Korean skincare solution for pore cleansing and revitalization. Experience pore cleansing excellence with the deeply hydrating red bean mask. It effectively...
Once satisfied with your video, click the Export button to download it. If further customization is needed, click Edit. In the TopView AI editing interface, you'll see all the generated scenes. You can replace media files, adjust the avatar's size and position, and customize subtitles with various templates. You can also add transitions, background effects, and text elements. Once all changes are made, click Export to finalize your video. Let's fast forward through the rendering process, and here it is ready for download. Now, you can upload your video to social media along with an affiliate link to start earning commissions. What if you want an avatar holding the product in their hands? To do this, go to the dashboard and select the Product Avatar tool. Choose an avatar from the extensive library, ensuring that the product they're holding matches yours. Then, click Replace with My Product Image to upload your product photo. The AI will automatically remove the background. Adjust the product size and position to fit naturally in the avatar's hands. If needed, refine the image using the Customize option. Once the positioning is perfect, click Confirm Product Position. Now your product is seamlessly integrated. The AI will generate a lifelike avatar video, allowing you to present your product without hiring real models. After processing, the avatar is ready. To create a video with this avatar, enter a script or upload an audio clip. Select a voice actor, confirm the settings, and click Generate Video. Once ready, export and download your final video. Here's a preview.
I am Top View Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models.
You now know how to create high-quality product videos using TopView AI. But this is just the beginning. You can also create talking photos, convert long videos into short clips, generate real-time chat avatars, and more. TopView AI is a powerful platform for promotional content, perfect for boosting your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.